Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can watch Netflix without paying. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the latest updates we've shared under this video. Let's get started. First, we need to check if Netflix still offers a free trial. To do this, open any web browser and search for Netflix free trial. Once you find the search results, scroll down and look for the Netflix Help Center link. Click on it, and you'll see that currently, Netflix no longer provides free trials. This is unfortunate for those looking for a way to access Netflix for free. But don't worry just yet. There's still a way you might get access to Netflix without paying. Sometimes, service providers offer free Netflix access as part of their promotional deals. For example, if you have a mobile plan, you may be eligible for Netflix for free. One company that offers this is T-Mobile. To check this out, go ahead and search for T-Mobile Netflix in your browser. You should see a link that says Netflix on Us. Click on that, and you can read all the details about how to get Netflix through their services. Once you've found the information, you can sign up for their plan and start enjoying Netflix at no extra cost. If you already have an account with T-Mobile, just log in and follow the steps to get started. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe using the link in the description. See you in the next video.